Hello all! Since we're mostly quarantined at home, why not bake our own bread? Today we're going to make 3 different breads using the same dough. Traditional loaf, artisan baguette, and a medieval loaf. To make the dough, we're gonna need 4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 ounce yeast, 3.5 cups of cold water. Make sure it's distilled. Add water to flour slowly to make a paste. The most important part in making bread dough is kneading. So make sure you don't rush. Spend plenty of time on kneading. If all goes right, your dough should triple in size after it gets rested and baked. You can check to see the consistency and unity of the dough by simply pinching it. If it tears before it thins down, you simply need more time on kneading. Add the salt and give it another kneading for 5 minutes. Add the yeast and knead well for another 5 minutes until the yeast mixes completely. In most recipes, the salt is added to flour and yeast is mixed with water. But I got that tip from someone with 50 years of experience in baking bread. Let the dough rest for at least 20 minutes to let the yeast activate. Divide the dough into 2 pieces of 350 gram and a piece of 800 gram. Let them rest for another 20 minutes. Shape the dough by folding it on itself twice, press firmly to connect the edges, and give it another final fold. The yeast causes chemical reactions resulting bubbles inside the dough, so try to be gentle not to lose all the progress made by the yeast. Do not knead or smash the dough after resting it. After shaping it gently, let them rest for a final time for at least 40 minutes. Cut into dough using a razor or sharp knife. Each bread loaf has its own unique cuts, and there are no standards for that. Place a bowl of water into oven and preheat it to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Cook them until they become golden brown and crusty on the edges. Look at that bread. It is crusty on the edges and spongy and soft inside. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe. Hope to see you in better days soon.